Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add different sidebars to pages on WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do this, let's head over and just try to go to the plugin marketplace of WordPress. Click on the search bar right here and search in here for custom sidebar. So let's search in here for that. And then from in there, you should be able to see some search results related to this. Now, what I can recommend you is to just head over and then install this custom sidebar by Web Factory Ltd. Now, from in there, click on this install and activate option right here, and then this will install and activate this particular plugin to your WordPress dashboard. So it's been actually installed. So the next step that we need to do is to head over right here to our dashboard, and then scroll down until you can see the option for appearance. And then on the appearance that will show you right here, you should be able to see the custom sidebar on the widget screen. So let's head over to our appearance and head over to widgets. And then from in there, we should be able to see all the widgets we have on our actual store. Once you have access to your widgets right there, you should be able to create different sidebars to pages on WordPress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!